한 단어씩 차근차근 따라해보세요. The other thing that I learned from John. The other thing that I learned from John. The other thing that I learned from John. I could do easily an hour-long talk. I could do easily an hour-long talk. I could do easily an hour-long talk. Just on what I have learned from John. Just on what I've learned from John. Just on what I've learned from John. One of the things he told me was that wait long enough. One of the things he told me was that wait long enough. One of the things he told me was that wait long enough. And people will surprise and impress you. And people will surprise and impress you. And people will surprise and impress you. He said when you are pissed off at somebody. He said when you are pissed off at somebody. He said when you're pissed off at somebody. And you are angry at them. And you are angry at them. And you are angry at them. You just have not given them enough time. You just haven't given them enough time. You just haven't given them enough time. Just give them a little more time. Just give them a little more time. Just give them a little more time. And And they will almost always impress you. And they'll almost always impress you. And they'll almost always impress you. And that really stuck with me. And that really stuck with me. And that really stuck with me. I think he is absolutely right on that one. I think he's absolutely right on the one. I think he's absolutely right on the one.